Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to do jungle text effect editing in Canva to create stunning nature-inspired typography easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just choose in a template that you want to use on Canva to proceed to their Canva editor. So since we're here already, you could upload here on uploads the photo of a jungle that you want to use. But for this tutorial, since I don't have one onto my end, we'll try to use stock photos that are available here onto elements. So let's just search in here, jungle, and then choose photos to choose in some photos of a jungle. So for example, this one, let's click onto that. Right click onto this and then set this image as a background. Then right after, we're gonna head onto this one. Onto the bottom part, we're gonna add in another page. So onto this page, this is where we're going to go ahead and add in our text. But before that, let's try to change the background first. Click onto the background color in here, and let's choose in this one, the black one. Head back to text, add in a heading, and then we'll try to type in here, jungle. So you could type anything that you want in here. Let's try to change in the font in here and try to search for this specific filter. So the zoomy rough bold. So once it is applied, just make this one bigger. And then we could also put this onto the center. Then right after that, here onto elements, let's try to choose in some elements in here, such as trees. Click onto graphics. And then we could try to use this one. So we could design this as many as we like. So just put it just like this to add in a jungle effect onto your photo. Now, once done, we're going to go ahead and save this. Just go ahead and click onto share in here. Click on to download, and for this one, we're going to choose just page 2. And let's download this one. So just wait for this one to be downloaded. And once it is done, just head back onto your first page in here. And then we're going to go ahead and try to drag and drop here on uploads the photo that we just recently downloaded. So as you can see, it is downloading already. And then let's add this onto our design. So let's make this bigger, just like this. And then we're going to go ahead and click onto edit image here onto the upper part. Now let's remove the background, and it should go ahead and look something like this. So you could readjust this as per your liking so that it would truly matches the jungle vibe that you have. So you could move it in here. And that is just basically it, how to do a jungle text effect editing in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.